What is going on, you guys? This is Chris with Patch Boy Dar, patches for the culture. And right now we're going to take you guys on a quick look at all of the equipment we have here to run our small embroidery business. All right. So first things up, we got the Brother Personas right here, also known as the Brother PRS 100. For all of our members out there, we don't have the SE625 set up because we still are in the process of moving to our new location. So we got the SE625s packed up and ready to be unpacked once we get settled in. Next up, since we were just looking at the machines, we have the Juki TL1850. Check out this thing, you guys. This is a nice looking sewing machine. It is just a single stitch sewing machine. We got the walking foot on there, the Juki foot that came with the sewing machine. We use this machine just so we can add either our magnetic backing or we can add our Velcro backing to our patches. Next up, we got our Epson ET2850, as you can see right here. This is one of their Eco Tank printers right here. I guess you can use these machines to do some sublimation printing, but we have not tried that yet. But for now, we just use it to print out our order sheets. Coming up next, moving right on along, we got the Dymo Label Writer 4XL. This thing, we have had this thing since opening up the shop. This thing is a workhorse. As you can see on the inside, we use those dasher labels. The dasher labels work awesome in this Dymo label. You can get those dasher labels on Amazon using our Amazon affiliate link. I know a lot of you might not think it's a big deal, but we want to show you the chair that we use when we're sitting at the computer. We got our Captain America gaming chair right here. Check out this chair, you guys. This chair is awesome. Because you want to be comfortable when you're sitting there doing all your digitizing and whatnot, right? So you got to have a good chair to go with your business. Although the desk is a little messy, what we got here is we got our iPad right there. This is a 2018 iPad. Or it might be the 19 iPad. I can't remember which year I got it. But we use this iPad just to do some of our thumbnails and some of our banners and backgrounds when it comes to posting our content. We got our Asus curved monitor right here. This is the Asus Tough monitor. And we also have our Asus ROG gaming laptop, you guys. Sorry for the camera looking a little dark, but we don't have our usual lighting setup as we do. We're only going off of the ceiling fan right up here. But this has been Chris with Patch Boy Dar, patches for the culture. Thank you guys for tuning in, taking a quick look at my little setup that I got here. It's going to be a different setup once we are settled into the new location. But also, if you like our content and you would like to donate to keep the content going and to keep the business going, you can always donate to one of these links down below. We got our Cash App and we got our Venmo. So whichever one you would like to use. Your donations help us grow the channel. It helps us buy new equipment just so we can make better content for you all, right? But this has been Chris with Patch Boy Dar, patches for the culture. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.